Welcome back. Now, Wake Up Nigeria has an SME segment every single Monday, and today is a really interesting one. We have a really interesting gentleman, Jeffrey Benson, a Forex trader, someone with over 8 years experience, also an investor, international keynote speaker. He is the founder of FirePips Forex Academy. It's one of Nigeria's leading online Forex training academies, and apparently he's trained over 20,000 beginners and advanced traders on how to master the art of profitable Forex trading. Now, as a business owner, it's one of those businesses not a lot of people want to venture into because of how high risk it tends to be. But then, during periods where the news, international news is going back and forth about different conflicts in different parts of the world, it might just be a little bit more profitable than you think. Welcome to the show, Jeffrey Benson.
Thank you very much. I appreciate you.
All right. So first of all, kudos on doing this for so long, and the number of people you've trained is astounding. How are you able to manage to connect with over 20,000 people? And how long did that take?
I've trained way more than 20,000 people.
Okay.
Yeah, so we'll say like about maybe 25,000 on the paid one.
Okay.
On the free one, I've trained a couple of people on YouTube. Wow. I started doing YouTube, started giving out free content for a very long time, since 2015. Okay. I've been giving out a lot of free content. Was
it the plan to start a business from this, or was it just something you were doing as a hobby?
It was just something like, okay, I know something about trading. Why not teach other people to learn how to earn and to be free, how to get money legitimately online. Okay. So that's how I just started. So I'm getting money legitimately online. So why not just teach other people for free to go to do the same thing?
So now a lot of people have their doubts. Yeah. They don't understand what it's about. What exactly is Forex trading?
Forex trading is just simply buying and selling of currencies. Like if you've ever traveled to another country, let's say, for example, traveling from Nigeria to the United States, the act of changing your Naira to United States dollar, that's Forex. Okay. Changing one currency for another. Okay. So you could do it online right now, and you could sell if it's going down, and you could buy if it's going up. So you make money both ways. Okay.
All right. So this act of buying and selling has changed over the years. Yeah. What it was when we're watching movies like the movies that... There was a movie that Eddie Murphy starred in that had some old guys trading in it. I think I'll remember the name soon. Trading Places. Yes, that was the name of the movie. Then it was still a little more analog. Now you have the internet, and it seems to have made it different. Talk to us about that.
Yeah, there where they have to place call, put money call on, or put money put on. But right now it's a lot more different. With your phone or your laptop, you're powerful. There's an app we call MetaTrader 4, MT4 or MT5. Yeah. By just simply pressing a buy and sell, you're already in, you're already filled in. So one thing about trading is whenever you're buying, there's someone else selling. If you're selling, there's someone else buying. Okay. All right. So just like you want to buy maybe GBP to USD. So once you click on a buy, someone else, the broker just exchanges your order for another person's order. So that's how people just make money off of their internet. And there's a broker where you deposit your money. So the broker is the middleman that takes your order to exchange for another one. So if there's no one that is buying at that time, they take it to the interbank and they exchange the major order. So there's always someone buying and someone, other person selling at the other end.
So let's talk about how the news around the world affects the markets. Okay. Now, different markets open at different times around the world. We've heard of the New York Stock Exchange. Of course, there's the Nigerian Stock Exchange. And there are different foreign exchanges all over. But now with instances like what's happening in Israel and Palestine, how do you think things like that would affect the international markets?
So first, I would love to say that Forex is bigger, like a lot of times bigger than New York Stock Exchange, all the stock exchanges together. So talking about the current war that is currently happening, it doesn't have a direct effect to Forex traders. But then it's definitely going to have an effect in terms of US coming in and all of that, and dollar having a shake. So the good thing, as I said earlier, is if there is a decline in the United States dollar, what you just have to do as a very good trader is to sell. Still make money both ways. So if the United States dollar is going to be strengthened at that time, you have to buy. Still make money regardless. So it's a very good way. So it's always the best time to come into Forex trading at any time, anytime you want. And it's absolutely free. You just get some stuff online, learn. YouTube, I also learned quite a lot from YouTube too. So there are a lot of resources there.
So now you're a business owner. Yeah. You've turned this to a business. Yeah. You need to talk to us about how this works. Maybe there might be someone that's interested in going into it as a business. How does it start, and how are you able to be profitable from it?
So talking about the business side, trading is just like going to like a cool market. Anyone can go. you can just go buy a Shoaib, take it back home and sell to people.
Yeah.
All right, but if you do not know where to buy, when to buy, you're not being educated about whether you might just get cheated or buy it so expensively and then go back home and start crying for loss. So that's why it's important you get to learn. So when I started off on YouTube, and also went to other academies that I was taught. But then basically most of the resources are available online, all right? So when you start, the basic is simple. Like in about 2 weeks, I was able to crash it. In a month, I was still in. But where I was having a lot of difficulties was staying profitable. Because it can be very difficult, consistent profit and all of that. Sometimes I'll make money, I get to lose it back to the market. Then I'm going to lose all my money. Because then I was way younger than this year. I was going to lose all my money. I have to go back to square one again, go back to a demo account. That's called demo account. It's a paper trading. Simulated account whereby you get to trade with a real market but fake money. It's virtual money. All right. So I just get back to that demo account, keep training over time. So with there, I got good with my patterns, got good with my entries, and then funded that money again, which is $50 as at that time. Then I was able to move it to $150, and that's a very good business.
So I'm thinking about the aspect of the training, because I feel like the training academy is the main business itself. Apart from, yes, of course, you're trading yourself and other people are trading around you, the actual training school, how are you able to build the school and get people to come and train with you?
So when I started finding sources, I was around 2020, during the lockdown. So I got a lot of messages, and then there was COVID. I got a lot of messages of people messaging me, Jeff, what are you doing? I saw you on Facebook, I saw you on TikTok, I saw you on Instagram. I like what you're doing. Like, can you teach me? So I started teaching so many other people, but then they were not really taking it serious. When things get hard, they get to back out. So at 2021, I had some couple of other people that said, Jeff, I'm willing to want to pay for this, your knowledge. Just tell me exactly what to do. So I tried with about 3 people, and then they were really good at it. And then I said, okay, why don't I just take this to another level? So I sat down, recorded some other courses. I gave it out for free. Then again, I still didn't take it seriously. Then I started doing like one-on-one mentorship to other people, and then they started paying. And then right now, I've been able to grow this academy to people from over 160 countries right now in our academy, learning virtually.
All right.
Every day we've got classes, and I have other people, mentees.
So as of right now, you've essentially monetized your knowledge.
Yeah.
So what you've done is you've created videos, standard videos, and they're out there. And then do you live trade? Do you bring people in live?
Yeah, I do live trading. I have an office too where I live trade. I also have people who have trained, that also train others that are successful at it.
All right.
I live trade on YouTube every Monday. Like today by 1 p.m. I'll be live trading too on YouTube.
All right.
So it's something I do regularly.
I have to say thank you to you for coming to share this info with us. There are probably some people out there who have been, really interested and wanted to meet someone like you who's actually been into it for this long. We appreciate you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Cynthia.
So we have a chef that has been hard at work in the kitchen, and she's about to share with you what she's created. Jeff, will you join me in the kitchen? Sure. All right, fantastic.